What's up guys, you join me from the inside of the Fiat Grande Punto, and today we're going to do another tutorial and show you guys how to get the door card off. Dead simple one, but it's also a really common thing that people need to know. So for example, your electric window motor goes, or the button stops working, you need to get the door card off to get to the motor, to the button, to the electrics. If you have any problems with the locking, the central locking, you need to get the door card off. If you just want to change like the speaker in the door card down here, again, you need to get the door card off. So it's a dead simple job, but on request I thought I'd make a little video and show you guys how to do it. First thing you're going to need is a little Torx bolt set, so I'll show you that in a minute. We'll flip the camera around, I'll show you the 3 bolts there is. One of them's hidden behind a plastic cap. A bit off subject, but for all you UFC fans, big fight last night, McGregor against Khabib. I've actually put the full fight on my channel, so if you check out my channel, and if you want to see the full fight, it's all uninterrupted for you guys to watch, and hit that subscribe button while you're there. Right, let's get to this job. Right, so I've got the door open, and you've got a little flap here behind the lever. So I'm going to get a fat screwdriver. I'm going to go into that without nicking the plastic and get that flap open first. And the other 2 bolts are down here. Now, I'm not sure if they sometimes have a blank or something covering this area, but that's the sort of door handle that you open and close it with, just underneath it. I'm on there, but we'll get this plastic cap off and then loosen all 3 bolts first. Right, so I've got the plastic cap off, and I've got a TX30 Torx bit. So let's go on to the end of this bolt and undo that, and those 2, one in there and one in there. Sorry about the shoddy camera work, I've not got it on a stand. Right guys, so we've got all these 3 bolts loose. There's a bit more. So you've got 1, 2, 3, all loose. Next thing you want to do is get in this bottom corner of it. I'll try and find a corner where you can get your hand behind it a bit and simply pull it out and work your hand along. It's on sort of plastic caps, so you just got to be quite firm with it, and the door will card will come out from the bottom. Right, so as you can see now, I've got it loose and flapping, but it's still on the window bit up here. Next thing you want to do is pop it up. So pull it out and knock it up. The whole card simply pull loose like this. Right, as you can see, it's connected by your door lock cable and a couple of wires. So the two wires are just on these little clips. There's one there, unclip that, to the back of the little tweeter speaker. That's for that speaker next to the handle there. And the other wire, the clip is, I'll try and get it on the camera. Pull your clip further down. It'll work loose. Or unclip the whole unit. The whole unit for the window button sort of clips out. It's a plastic piece within the door. You see that? So pull that out, and then you're just left with this cable that's holding the car down. Now, there's a little plastic bit there. You squeeze them in to pop that white plastic bit out, and then pull that cable out to release it. Now, I'm not going to do it, I can't do it while I'm holding the camera, but once you pop that off, this will release the door card, and then you're free to access things like that speaker and get to all your door lock mechanism, which is basically just this cable going to there for the handle, and then that goes to your lock, which is there, which has an electrical connection so the car knows when it's locked and that. And you can unscrew the lock with these 3 bolts if you need to get to it for anything. But that is about it for removing the door card. And to put it back on, right, so I got the button and the plastic surrounding it for the window back up in its place, and that just clips back in. It's just that plastic fascia that goes around on some clips. I've put the speaker, the tweaker wire back on. I've put my cable wire for the lock back on, for the door handle, for that handle. So now it's just a case of you'll lift the door card up first. See this blue edge? You'll get the plastic over that edge, which is sometimes a bit fiddly. Yeah. Make sure you knock it down nicely. It's back in place. And then as you'll see here, there's loads of these little blue clips that go into holes. And that goes right around the door card. So you just need to line them up. So that line the first one up, see it's still a bit high, pull it down a bit. So guys, the door card's back on, as you can see. I just put the 3 screws back in, and the little plastic cover that covers the screw behind the door lever that we started off with. Put them back in and it's back on and you're good to go. Nice simple video for you guys. So if you do need to do anything that's behind the door card, know that it's dead easy to get off yourself. Definitely a DIY job. Like I said, this is the Fiat Punto Grande. If you'd like to know anything else about this car or see any more tutorials, let me know in the comments and I will do the video for you. The last couple have been off request, so I will do them. And that's about it for today. So check out my channel guys, hit that subscribe button if you're new. We do all sorts of car stuff, car tutorials, car reviews, POV drives. We cover fights, etc, etc. Check it out. Thanks for watching this, I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you next time.